Hey guys, Scott Holmes again here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a 2024 Yamaha AR250. This is their 25-foot bow rider, twin engine. Comes with the tandem axle trailer with the nice aluminum wheels and the water sports tower with bimini. Beautiful full hull color teal style boat that's going to look gorgeous on the water. Check out the aft seating here with backrests, table, speakers, cup holders, marine matting, freshwater flush, and rear stereo controls. This is just an awesome place to hang out on the water. Even has the spot to put the in-water bar stool seats if you want to add those at a later time. Let's go inside and take a look. This is one of my favorite boats. It's just so much boat for the money. Can't wait to tell you guys all about it. Has huge wraparound seating, co-captain and captain's chair, which will swivel and rotate. Tons of storage for all your gear, sunglasses, sunscreens, cell phones. Digital display with wireless phone charger. It's that twin engine throttle. Show you guys a wraparound seating here. Tons of room for all your friends and family. Take a look at the bow. It has a bow cushion, wraparound seating, dedicated ladder and anchor storage up there in the bow. Snap-in woven vinyl flooring, which is really nice, easy to clean and maintain. And this boat even has a great spot if you want to add a head or a porta potty style toilet, or just have tons of place to stick all your beach bags from all your friends that are going to want to come out in the boat with you. Really can't wait to show it to you and all the other Yamaha jet boats we have here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. So be sure to come check us out. We have tons of boats. Thank you guys.